Drink Starbucks all day, every day. You can't live without the Starbucks.
Yep, that's right. Every day
Very
you gotta
true.
have it. Woo! Libre!
There's gonna be a huge Starbucks sign that you're gonna see.
Mr. B is buying Starbucks for us. Say thank you, Mr. B.
Thank you, Mr. B.
That way. And then
So bait.
Starbucks, give Mr. B an endorsement. He needs an endorsement. To drink Starbucks all day, every day. You can't live without the Starbucks.
Yep, that's right. Every day
Very
you gotta
true.
have it. Woo! Libre!
there's gonna be a huge Starbucks sign that you're gonna see. And it's
Mga kakoko, kailangan yung makita to. That's why I went live. Wow! That's it, guys. It's so beautiful. Ganda oh. Oh yeah. Kakaiba dito. Walking the aisle. Lisa wants to get married again. After 20 years, they decided again. That's like silver, right? 25? Yeah. Because 50th is golden. Look at this beauty.
Yeah. Okay.
We were up there kanina. Now we're here. Ganda no guys, sobrang ganda. Kung nandito kayo, oh I hope it's not gonna rain, don't rain please. Someone's calling me? Oh, I thought they said Corey. Ganda guys, oh. Tutubi. Namimiss ko yung tutubi. Dati yung bata ako, mahilig ako maghulo ng tutubi.
Drizzle.
Oh shit, that's nice. Can you send it to me? Are you gonna post that?
In the edit.
Nice.
Wala diha.
Bilisan mo lang. Oh, paano yun?
This is what I guess.
And then, slow mo. Shit. Bobo talaga. Well, my phone is old. I'm not really, I am, ooh, pump. Coffee pa more. It's so nice in here. It's so peaceful. And we're the loudest party. Kami pinakamalakas dito, guys. I know, it's not gonna rain. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Tutubi! Slow mo. Yun lang pala ginagawa niya.
Ginagawa ko slow mo.
Super slow yun sa... Chris, look at Ate Maricel. Too slow. Too slow.
You want to do an I love you clip?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys should.
You know,
Oh, that's gonna be cool.
See, I make this party get off.
Don't you dare.
See, I make this get off.
Make this go. That's
Oh,
funny.
and the arrangement.
That's
comes down?
nice.
Oh, we're really gonna,
Kapatid.
we're really gonna sell this on.
Nice one. Naging bayot eh. Si ate Marisa, sabi niya kanina sa lalaki, bayot to. Visit ka, ate Marisa. Hello. Hello. Look at this.
he'll come out of the water deeper.
Alligator. Joe, you're alligator.
No way.
No, just kidding. Oo po, sobrang ganda. Kung nakapunta na kayo dito, ang ganda. If you have garden at your place, your house, grabe. Ganito yung feel.
Look, it's like the water.
Look at that, guys. Sobrang ganda. Ikakasal sila, Mr. B. Diyan, ikakasal sila, Mr. B. Talaga ba, guys? Yan, okay. Magpipicture-picture muna ako, guys. Na-amaze lang ako and I wanted to share it with you all. So, I'll go back again later. Bye-bye, guys! Here for the cruise to see Victoria, right? So nice. So, kapag pala nag-ano kami ng Canada tour, nag-cruise?
Kung meron kayong route ng Victoria, dito talaga kayo.
Oo nga. Ayan yun. Diyan sila nagdadak.
Seattle,
Oh.
and then Alaska. Then,
Woo! Alaska and Vancouver. So that's like 9 days, no? May 15 days pa eh.
usually 7 days.
Yeah, meron pang iba. Depende where you're docking.
Yeah. Like, yung kami before, it was like,
Yeah, di ba? Lalo pag Alaska. Ano eh. Look at it, yeah. So beautiful. I can't wait. Magkukruise kami ng buong family. November 28, that's my mom's birthday. And hanggang December 5. Ang lamig! Ay! Cruise, guys. This is cruise. And then the other one is Alaska cruise. I don't know. I'm not sure about this one right here. Hindi ako sure. Lizelle, hi. Hi, Ate Lou. Hi sa inyong lahat. Ang lamig, guys. Ang lamig. Dude, this bistro, is this the same? Bistro? Oh, no, it's different. Cafe Bistro Bar. Oh, okay, I told you. Yeah, I knew it. Holland, America. But it's like Alaska. It's so beautiful. Princess? Okay. Ang dami na, no? Oh, Star Princess. So, mga Princess Cruise. Yung isa parang... Yung sa amin. Lamig. Lamig. Breakwater. Miss Coco, kailan po flight niyo pabalik sa US? Tomorrow po. Kirel. Take care po. Ganda naman dyan. Oh, Jack. Si Jack. Bros! Bros! Oo nga, sanay ka naman eh. Taga dito ka, right? Ganda guys. Oh. Let's go? Oh, can we just take a picture here now then? Right here, just right here. At least we're here. Lisa, Joe, take a picture. Eddie. He's like, yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's take a picture. We're gonna take a picture, guys. Okay, bye.
I'm in the other one. That's it, go.
We're doing this right now at the airport. Yeah, that's how you do it.